What are your first reactions?
Mate, this is
Like,
absurd.
can you
Like
imagine?
you do this website to me in 10 minutes? You joking or what?
John, we are here again. But
One
this
in,
time,
one in morning, one in evening.
we have another update, which is Anthropic have something called Claude Design, and it seems that we can make realistic prototypes. We can do something like product wireframes and mockups, design exploration, pitch decks, presentations, and marketing collateral, and frontier design. I'm not going to go too much in detail. I watch a video of 1 minute, like a sneak peek, and we both don't have any idea about how it works.
We
but
literally heard like what, half an hour, 45 minutes
yeah,
ago?
exactly. And we wonder what can we do with that. Plus, we just want to compare with Lovable because
Looks like this is a direct competitor to the vibe coding tools. We will see.
Exactly.
Maybe it's not, but seems like, because it says, as you can tell on the screen,
yeah, we are in the
design system
web app.
add screenshot, attach code base, drag in a Figma file.
Which is
By the way, we
huge.
checked through the app, native app as well. We don't get it in the native app yet. So we are using the browser version.
We thought, okay, why not give something challenging? Something like Zero to UI have a blog, zero2ui.com. I made a full snapshot and write a quick brief that redesign by looking at a example blog. And so let's paste them and let's give it a go.
Let's go.
First of all, we add a design example. We want it to look like this. And the second one is going to be the MD file. We can say something like, please read the MD file for the full description. The URL is readymag.com. Please make Zero to UI website with ReadyMag style or something. I'm not going to go too much in detail because since the MD file have all the details, all the context, so let's give it a go.
First, we will use the same for the Lovable.
Exactly.
Equal. We need to be fair.
Yes, fair to both platforms.
By the way, we have chosen the hi-fi design and interactive prototype. There is a step behind this one. Maybe we show this as well. In here, we choose the high fidelity.
I'm right.
Okay. We just created our project.
Okay.
And interactive prototype came with it.
Well,
I
okay.
didn't choose it.
All right.
Ready?
Ready. Okay, while we wait, this is Claude Design is available and running with the yesterday's update, Claude Opus 4.7, not 4.6. So we can be able to see the full potential. Since we put all the great context in the MD file that I generated, we can have all the output right now.
Also, something to add. We are trying this literally on the rush hour. It's around 5:30 in the UK, London at the moment, which is where, although it's Friday, EU work time, EU daytime, overlaps with the US daytime.
Can we, while we wait, can we put it on Lovable as well? So
Let's go.
it will be, okay, we have, Opus 4.7 is now available. Okay.
Got it.
Got it.
Attach.
And the same thing.
So this is building, right? So we
Yeah.
should say build to Lovable as well,
Yeah.
rather than plan, to be fair to both. Ready?
Ready? I'm excited. This is getting crazy.
We may come up with another video in 5-6
Oh
hours.
man. The great thing about the long format videos is you don't need to make a lot of editing, since we just, talk about a product that is recently launched, and both of us are not in the mood like designers are cooked. I don't believe that sentiment at all. I think designers now can cook.
That's also what I think.
Exactly. So, and also developers are now can be able to cook, because if they put it in a great context and have some certain taste and take some ideas from other websites, blend them, the results will be amazing. Hopefully. I mean, we are all testing now. We didn't set the timer, but it's our rush stuff as well.
I'm checking its progress, like what it says here as well. Okay, what does this guy do?
Is it?
That's quite
Reuse
inspiring. Reuse work from other projects. So
I
it
didn't get
urges
it.
it urges you to create components.
Okay.
Do you see cloud purchasing acquiring Lovable? Do
I
they need?
No, because they are too big to care, first and foremost, and secondly, Lovable is also too big to get purchased.
Not for cloud, probably.
Oh wait.
Okay, Lovable
Oh
did it.
boy.
Oh,
Oh man.
did it as well. We don't know who did it first.
Look. But can we somehow looking crazy? I just want to make this as big as possible, and
Where
I'm
is
not
the-
going to
where-
touch anything.
Where is
First,
the preview? Like the preview mode without the chat bar.
I
see.
done tweaks. Full screen.
New tab, let's say.
Oh boy. I'm excited. What are your first reactions?
Mate, this is
Like
absurd.
one
Like
prompt. I'm talking about one
what
prompt.
is it? It's been like what, 10 minutes since we started recording?
Can you
Like
imagine?
you do this website to me in 10 minutes? You joking or what?
And look, you know what I did before jumping into Lovable? Don't show it yet. Let's go back to. Okay, you know what I did? I only make a full screenshot of my website. Go to Perplexity, not to eat tokens, and ask Perplexity, can you give me the context inside without styling? That's it. So it creates this MD file, and I give another screenshot of the ReadyMag. Here we have the result without any more prompt, as you guys can see. So I'm
Unbelievable.
impressed.
Big time.
I'm
mean-
totally impressed, because as a senior designer, you can take this and kind of rock and roll. So barrier to entry to anything is now quite low. I'm super impressed, to be honest. Let's go to Lovable now.
I just
Right.
collapsed
Yeah,
this one.
great. So let's focus on the design.
Okay, quite two different approaches.
Exactly.
As you can tell.
Articles. It has some taste, I admit, but it has nothing to do with the example that we gave, a little bit of sneak peek, whereas
Let's open it in a new tab as well
Yeah.
to be.
But this is like looking like a WordPress theme.
I mean, this is.
This is killer.
I don't tell from like subjective point of view, in the context of like I like this styling more to the Lovable or
No.
vice versa, but this is much more of a work.
Exactly.
Like the styling or not.
Exactly. And by the way, having said that, if I did not see Claude performance, this is also better than a regular.
Definitely acceptable.
Definitely
I'm
great.
having this in 5 minutes. Consider that. For 5 minutes, it's more than acceptable. Well done to the Lovable, but this is
Yeah.
this is something new.
And the great thing is like we can now take this to Figma if we want, and we can create a system on it and say something like we can continue in Figma, take the design, put it there, and say now adopt design system on top of that, or use ChatCN to put and adopt it, and move on from there. Boy.
Should we wrap this up and continue discovery and make some content for a second video?
Yeah, so this is
Stay
basically
tuned.
this is what we
It's
think,
so promising.
and
so
again
promising.
totally off the cuff without any plan, and exactly like stay tuned for the chapter 2, because I think we have some work to do, especially
lot.
this weekend.
A lot. In few hours.
Yeah, so thanks for watching.